Day, everyone. Learn how to fix if your Android phone is not ringing while incoming calls. So it's a very common problem. Many of us face issues, and the easiest way to fix no incoming calls ring tone, we need to go to the settings first. And here in settings, look for anything which says sound and vibration. If you're unable to find it, you can simply search volume like this. Right. So under sound and vibration, you will always find volume, and then we need to scroll down system sound volume again. We will click on that, and here we go. From here, you can change the ringtone by sliding this like this, and you can increase the media like this and notification. And once you're done, just come back and you will be able to fix no ringtone while incoming calls. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.